Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to another forest frame.
Next shot is this one here, and you see there's a lovely leading line. It takes me all the way up to the tree. Now it's there's a bit of colour of the trees in the background, so I'm getting that into as well.
So we'll see how this shot fares and enjoy.
I'm just going to show you the next shot I'm going to take. This is the ideal light for it because it's just small bits of highlights against the trees, which you see here, and so on. See how it fares, and if it's any good, I'll put it up. Yeah, it's getting a bit dark now, so I think what I'll do is go to sleep very fast and wake up.
Yeah. So this is another part of another forest I've never been before. This is quite local to my new house. This is maybe one of the places I'll be visiting probably more often when I move in. But what I can say just now is nothing really giving me interest, all but dog walkers everywhere. So I'm just going to spin you around and show you what I've got. So you see there's a lot of types of trees here. It's a plantation area, a park, and you've got everything here like birches, beech, oak, ash, all different types of trees. Try to keep out of the way of dog walkers and get on my way and start taking pictures.
So just to let you know the change of lenses, I've moved from of course a 24 to 70 to a 70 to 200 just to pick things out here. There's a lot of trees, there's a lot of confusion, as in lots of trees and not much space. So using a long lens may just pick out some nice shots. Or I can go wide and try to get more of, try to incorporate everything into the shot. We'll see how it fares and be an adventure.
So this next composition is pretty much a simple one. It's more to do with the environment. It's more about the tree falling onto another tree. And it's obviously the effect of the weather. So it's going to spin you around there and show you what I'm looking at. So as you see up here, there's appears to be an old type of beech trees as such, and it's kind of broken in half there with the wind. Don't know if it's been lightened over, but it's kind of fallen probably quite far, and then ended up on this tree here. So as you see, there's a lot of trees in the background that are falling as well. Some are beveled over there because of the weather, and also the wind is coming from this direction. It's just hitting across the side of this hill. So on this hill is a slight slope, and I do like how it's kind of looks on camera, which I will put on. But what I'll do is give you an example what I'm going for. So if I can just try to frame it with my magic frame and do that. So I don't know if you can see that there, but you get the idea of this going across here. This broken part of beech tree, and in the back you've got some delicate leaves there. Looks quite nice. A splash of autumn with the foliage there. Some autumn leaves there, some changing colour of leaves. And then the left to right, we've got some, appears to be ash trees on the left and right there, and a bit of ivy there as well. So if the shot turns out well, we'll stick it up now. Leave a comment. So what do I think of my new local woodlands? It's good, it's good. I was kind of a bit too quick to judge when I first started filming, but as you get a bit further into it, it's not too bad. It has a lot of different types of trees, as I say, and I think because of the point it's got a lot of trees and it's quite a busy area, it might be a bit more challenging for me to look for compositions. But what I see of it is just endless different types of species of trees, and it just looks amazing. So as you see, I don't know if this is doing this justice, this camera angle, probably not, but I have included everything here, what you see from the image. And it may look a bit chaotic, and you probably thought that at first when seeing the image. There's a lot of different species of trees here, and there's a lot of trees that are touching and twining. But sometimes that can work in woodland photography, because if it's giving you like an ethereal look, and if you feel like, especially we've got a sapling over there, middle of a pine tree, a birch tree, a beech tree, we've got an ash tree down there as well. So I love the mixture of trees in this image. That's the reason why I wanted to share it. But I also love the colours as well. So this is not fully autumnal, but it certainly has the breakage of autumnal coming, and it's got that nice yellow warm look to it. here we've got like an ash tree, and it's a lovely shape. I've not got the whole ash tree in, that's the only problem. And then I've got this old decayed root of a tree standing up, snag of a tree as they call it. And this is my composition pretty much here, this, and some of them on the right hand side here as well, just looking through to the autumnal colours changing. Not as much different colours, just mainly yellows and greens unfortunately, but still it does give that effect of autumnal look. As I was doing the B-roll for this video, I noticed a tree that had a nice slant to it, and I thought I would use this as another kind of shot to take, and it's quite an interesting composition. So what you think, and leave a comment or two. What I like about this place is the colour today. The colour's great, and obviously in the winter months this place is going to be challenging because there's a lot of trees, as you see, and once the canopy opens up fully it's just going to look very grim. But yeah, in the mist in the winter it may look really good in the misty times, and when it's raining the barks go dark because they saturate the trunks, so you get a nice contrast. It's one thing you should try guys, is when you any time of year, but winter mainly, in the winter time when you're shooting and it's obviously there's no leaves on the trees etc, wait till a nice wet misty day and you'll see the contrast of the tree trunks coming out, sticking out of the mist. It looks absolutely stunning. Give it a try, really do, give it a try. Great stuff. Well, thank you for watching this week's vlog guys, it's been great. Thanks for subscribing, and if you haven't, please subscribe, give me a like, and leave a comment or two. I'm going to leave you some images that I have taken on today's video, and so leave a comment, let me know what you think of today's images. Anyway, until a week on Sunday, cheery bye. From the moment that we met, you're worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know.